Hello, welcome to my channel. I saw this question from Jamb past questions, and I became confused. I said, let me bring it up today so that we can discuss this particular question. Please kindly leave in the comment box your suggestion to this particular question, because I saw this particular question in two different ways, which seems to be correct, and I got two different answers which are in the option. So I became confused. Is Jamb actually wrong, or is the question wrong, or are they confused? So please, I want you to put down in the comment box your opinion about this particular question. Let's know what is actually wrong with this particular question. Okay, now I will solve this in two categories. The first category is to consider this triangle as being isosceles, because this line and this line, as they told us, are equal. And whenever the two sides of a triangle are equal, it means that the triangle is an isosceles triangle. Okay, now automatically this angle here and this angle here are the same thing, because they are the base angles of this isosceles triangle. Hence, angle, let's say QRS, this angle here is also 40 degrees, which is base angles of isosceles triangle. Okay, it is 40 degrees. Also, do you know that this angle here and this angle here are the same thing? Because this is a chord and this is a tangent. There is a theorem that tells us that the angle between a chord and a tangent is equal to the angle in the alternate segment. So if here is 40 degrees, automatically here will be 40 degrees. So therefore, the required angle PSQ is equal to 40 degrees, raising alternate segment. The angle between a chord and a tangent, which is 40 degrees, is equal to the angle in the alternate segment. So you've seen that I got 40 degrees using this first approach, which is still in the option, correct? Now let me still consider this in a different way and see what we are going to get. Now solving in a different way, so let me clean this 40 degrees and clean this 40 degrees. It's also clear that this is still 40 degrees, angle QRS. So angle QRS is still 40 degrees, reason base angles of isosceles triangle. It is 40 degrees, base angles of isosceles triangle, correct? So here is 40 degrees. But do you know that this particular angle here, only this angle here alone, is 90 degrees, since this is the center of the circle O, because angle in a semicircle is 90 degrees. Hence, I can write again that angle QSR equals 90 degrees, angle in a semicircle. So this is 90 degrees. But if I consider the whole angle now, this is a triangle having three angles, 1, 2, 3. This whole angle will be got by adding this and this and removing from 180, because the sum of angles in a triangle is 180 degrees. Therefore, angle PSR, which is this whole angles here, will now be 180 degrees minus the sum of 40 degrees and 40 degrees. Okay, so now angle PSR will give us 40 plus 40 is 80. 180 minus 80 will become 100 degrees. So this whole angle here is now 100 degrees. So to get the smaller angle which is left over here, I'm going to remove 90 from 100, which will give me 10 degrees. So therefore, required angle PSQ, which is this small angle here, will be 100 minus 90, which is 10. Will be 100 degrees minus 90 degrees. And when I subtract, it will give me 10 degrees. I solved another in a different way, which is authentic and correct. I still get an option. I still got an option, 10 degrees. So is I'm confused, or are we the person that are confused, or is the question not okay? So I want you to leave down your suggestion in the comment box so that we can know actually what is wrong with this particular question. But for myself, I will go with the first solution, which gave us 40 degrees. The reason is because the question mentioned straight line and tangent to a circle. Maybe they want us to utilize that theorem, but that does not stop the fact that this solution is still not correct. So I am confused, the question is confused. So I want you to also look into it and drop down your suggestions in the comment box so that we can analyze this particular question. Thank you.